feeling lost? Is your brain a burning library? Too many unread emails. Too many unpaid bills. This is cognitive overload, the silent enemy draining your energy from making truly important decisions. Your energy is being drained. And the truth is, the digital world is designed to do exactly that. In these 5 minutes, we will learn 3 mental laws. Proven principles to finally stop overthinking and reclaim control. Rule 1. The Exclusion Principle. This principle is not about doing more, it's about doing less. 80% of your mental energy is wasted on 20% of meaningless decisions, dissolving your focus. The exclusion principle forces you to shed every decision not related to your single biggest goal this month. Like a sculptor, only remove what is not the masterpiece. This applies to clothes, food, and especially the information you consume. Shed them immediately. Rule 2. Cognitive automation. This is how you turn 50% of daily decisions into habit. Establish 3 small systems: a morning ritual, a uniform system, and an information filter. When you don't have to think about these things, you reserve energy for what you need to create. And this is how you protect that reserve energy, by silencing 90% of notifications on your devices. Rule 3. The 1% goal. Eliminate the pressure of the 5-year plan. Focus only on the 1% goal, the single action you can take right now. "1% cumulative improvement eliminates procrastination. And removes the fear of massive failure. These 3 rules are the architecture for your brain. When you control small decisions, you control 90% of your life. You have seen the difference between chaos and order. Now, it is your turn. Pick one area where you will apply the exclusion principle today. Take action immediately. Subscribe to rebuild your mind. See you in the next video.